on.
Welcome to Season 2, Episode 4 of the Cooking with Coach Rob. Just gonna have a quick drink of pop here. Thank you. It's a special edition. It's Canadian Thanksgiving. And this morning I continued my tradition of either doing the full, or the half at the Victoria Marathon. And today we did the half marathon in 2 hours 8 minutes. It's not my fastest of all time. I have done a 1 hour 30 minutes several years ago on a different course, but as you can see, a lot of the years I was actually in the full marathon, with the fastest being back in 91. It was around 3:23, right? And thus the name Coach Rob, because you know I also coach at Lambrecht High School track and cross country, and I started running there back in 1985 with Mr. Keith Newell, the great Mr. Keith Newell. And as I mentioned, it's the Canadian Thanksgiving today, so what we're going to do is, like Shannon was busy with other things. Say hi, Shannon.
Hi.
She was busy with her cat today earlier, so we're not doing a traditional turkey dinner. But what we are going to do is we're going to make up some roasted garlic potatoes, right? We got a stuffing mix, we got turkey, we've got corn, and we're going to heat up some meat that we got at the deli for our turkey dinner. So we're going to get things cooking, and we'll be right back.
You're on.
So we're going to start with our Clubhouse gravy mix. That's going to go in this pot here. So we're going to open it up and put it in. The other ones we got to bring to a boil first. So we're not going to watch. Whoa! No. We're not going to watch water boil. Right. So I'll get this going. Then we'll check back in a few minutes when we're putting the other items in. Okay, as you can see, the back burner is boiling away. So we're going to put our mashed potato mix in now. Right, it's going in. We gotta stir that in. We'll just put that in there for now. Could have had maybe a bigger pot. I'll stir that more in a sec, but I better get he wants us to put in the stuffing mix. No idea how this is going to turn out. I have not used this stuffing mix before. Remember, this is just a real quick makeshift Thanksgiving dinner. Like, we didn't have a whole lot of time because I was involved in the race this morning, and which is okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to let this cook up a bit more, and we'll be back in a sec.
You're on.
Here, as you can see, our corn is just finishing off. So I'm going to grab that from our Kenmore microwave. And we're going to carefully bring it to our workstation here. And for now, we're going to put it in the bowl, but this is going to be very hot. So we're going to be extra careful here. And we're going to cut an end off, and we're just going to put it in the bowl, right? We're going to move the bowl to the side here. I like keeping my garbage in the freezer because you don't see any bugs around here, do you?
Nope.
So that's that there. We'll put our scissors back. We'll continue to roll here. And this is the part you guys are going to think is hilarious, right? Like I said, I was in the half marathon this morning, and Shannon was busy with her family this morning. So we just picked up some turkey. Some turkey roll, or some turkey, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to spread it out like along here. We're just going to heat it up in the microwave. Now it'll be our turkey dinner. So we'll show you what it's going to be like when it's all done. We'll take another break. Okay, we got our turkey on our plate here. So we're going to put it in the microwave just for, I have no idea, like maybe about 22 seconds. When that comes out, the next scene you're going to see is right here. We'll have it all plated for you on a nice plate. So stay tuned.
You're on.
So as you can see, our completed plate of the turkey dinner here. And we have the famous gravy bowl that you might have seen in an episode of Island Soar Hunters. So we're going to put a bit of gravy on our meals. This is Shannon's here. And I'll put some more on mine. So happy Thanksgiving, everyone, and for those of you that ran the marathon, the swimming 8K or half marathon, congratulations. For those of you that didn't, we hope to see you in a future year. Thank you.